eat up.
Oof, what an appetite, huh? Well, I'm pooped. I'm gonna head up. Good night, kid.
Boy, you sure outkicked your coverage with that one.
That's your little shit. Come on. I got this right. Get out.
Yavaş Harry.
Hey. Easy, you're gonna get hurt. Bed. Water. Good night.
What about a bathroom?
Uite, de asta i-am pus numele Harry.
Here you go.